Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. I just want to get a quick video out. I have been working on this for like 2 days. I saw, I think the Dr. Wreath's, I'll link her name down in the descriptions, but she made a wreath with poly burlap with using her wood burner. And I attempted to do that, but of course I used different flowers and ribbons and different style bow. I went to my DIYs channel to see how to make the bows because never knew how to make a bow, and this is her bestie bow. I love it, so simple. Once I followed her directions, mind you, I started trying to go off on my own, completely messed it up and had to go back to a tutorial on how to make the bestie bow. And I did pretty good if I do say so myself, but this is my attempt at the pumpkin frame wreath. I used poly burlap, I used my wood burner, and I was terrified of it, but I made sure I had my husband's big t-shirt on my lap in case I dropped it. I'm kind of clumsy, so this is my attempt at the wreath that I think my Dr. Wreath channel did. Again, I'm gonna link it below, but I like it. It's pretty good, pretty good. The next time I'm gonna make sure I measure exactly, and when I'm scrunching it up to make the leaves, I'm gonna make sure it folds in. I wasn't aware of that. I was just doing what she did. I made it, put it on there, and I was like, this isn't laying quite right, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. This is my first attempt to make one of these kinds with the wood burner, and I like it, and I really like my bestie bow. My back is not nearly as neat, but it's pretty secure for the floral. I zip tied it together onto the wire frame, and I didn't add the little burlap piece for the little stem of the pumpkin. I didn't want to. I just did my floral arrangement, put my bestie bow on the side where I felt like it needed a little bit more. And ta-da! Not bad for my first try. What do y'all think? I'm gonna make another one of these with the frame, but I'm gonna make a snowman because Christmas is coming up pretty soon. But right now, I'm still doing everything fall, but I will have a whole lot of Christmas crafts coming up. Starting around November, mid-November, December, but here's my pumpkin wreath. I'm quite proud of it, y'all. So tell me what y'all think. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.